Hey Arduino community. I was hoping to get a bit of help. I'm more of a programmer and I seem to have run into an electrical engineering problem on my project, which is my first Arduino project, so I'm probably missing something here. Anyway, I'll show you what I'm working with. I've got two of these MaxSonar range sensors. I'm reading off the analog input, so right there what you're looking at is the ground plus 5 volt and then the analog. Right now I've only got one plugged in because I'm trying to isolate the issue, and I'll show you what happens. So just to show you that I'm getting consistent power, hopefully you can read the screen. Whoop, my chopsticks here. There we go. So yeah, 4.97 is what it says there, and it's consistent. It doesn't fluctuate. It stays right there. Now if I just move that over to the analog pin and I point that at an object that's about 10 feet away. So yeah, it's pretty consistent. Now that's with one plugged in. So I'll just hold that just so you can see there's no fluctuation. That stays consistent, which is exactly what you want out of these. And I can hear them. They're ticking away. If you put your ear next to the sensor, you can hear that it's pulsing. Now I'm going to plug in my second one. I've got it hooked up to a Cat 5. So there's a sensor. I got it hooked up to a Cat 6 plug, and I'll measure the same one that I did before. My battery's dying. Now watch what happens. So I'm measuring the same sensor that I just did, but now with the second sensor plugged in, and you'll see what happens. So again, pointing at the same object. And the readings are all over the place. So it's going to get that 0.96 baseline again, and then it's going to drop, and then it's going to come back up to 0.96, and it's going to drop like clockwork, right? It's these intervals. It stays the same, and it's only when I've got the second one plugged in. Now online I've read about the ADC. The analog digital converters, how they have to switch back and forth, and maybe I just don't understand that well enough yet to diagnose or fix the problem. But this doesn't seem to be something I can fix with coding, because this is coming right off the sensor. These fluctuations. Yeah, I have no idea. So I'm hoping you can help me. Thanks so much for your time, and yeah, be well.